Atlanta Sounds.
Okay, let me find this famous piece. I am Harry Vosdias. I'm 88 years old, and I make copies of 18th century Baroque oboes. Those are oboes, and this is a tenor oboe. I've made over 450 oboes. They're all out there somewhere. These three here are classical oboes. That's later in the 18th century. This is an oboe d'amore. A regular oboe is in C. This is in A. Well, they're very ornamental. It's like an 18th century bedpost. A number of chisels in here. Okay, right now we're in my workshop, which is originally designed as the den of the house. We're surrounded by tools, clamps, saws, hammers, and files. In the middle of the floor is my wood lathe, which I turn the oboes by hand. They think they're making cars beautiful nowadays by having new models and having very fast lines. This was the 18th century fashion for beauty. That's why it's called Baroque, meaning very ornate. The thing is, for me, it's a means to an end, and the end is music.